Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when fingerprint reader is not working, and if you are receiving this error, that is this device is not working properly because Windows cannot load the drivers required for this device, and the error code is 31 operation fail. So if you're receiving this error code in device manager and your fingerprint is not working, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to go to device manager. So open device manager, make a right click on the start menu and then click on device manager. Now once you open device manager, somewhere on the top over here you will find biometric devices. In my device manager it's not there, but in your device manager you will find this option, that is biometric devices, and then you have to go ahead and expand biometric devices. Over here you will find your fingerprint device. So it might be Goodix fingerprint, it might be Synaptics fingerprint, or it might be Lenovo or some other name. So you have to go ahead and make a right click on the fingerprint device. I'm just showing an example. So just make a right click on the fingerprint device and then you have to go ahead and select properties. Now once you select properties, go to the power management tab and then uncheck the box which says allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. So you have to go ahead and uncheck the box and then click on OK, and then you can go ahead and check. Now still you are receiving the error message. In that case you can go ahead and restart credential manager service. For this, go ahead and type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find credential manager services. So here you can see credential manager. Make a double click and make sure startup type is set to automatic and then click on apply. Now if start is highlighted, click on start, then click on OK. With credential manager selected over here, click on restart the service and then you can go ahead and check. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case you can go ahead and disable and enable your fingerprint reader device. So again you have to go ahead and open device manager, make a right click on the start menu, device manager, and then you have to go ahead and expand biometric devices and then simply make a right click. So I will just show you an example with another device. So you have to go ahead and make a right click on your fingerprint device and then click on disable all, and then you have to go ahead and enable it once again. So once you make a right click, click on disable device, click on yes, and then again make a right click, then click on enable device. So you have to do this with Goodix or maybe Synaptics or whatever is your fingerprint device over here under biometric. Make a right click and then click on disable and then enable it once again, and sometimes it works. So you can go ahead and try this. Now the next step is to roll back fingerprint sensor driver. Now for this, again open device manager, make a right click, then click on device manager, expand biometric device, and then make a right click on your fingerprint device and then select properties. Now once you select properties, you will see the screen. Go to the driver tab and then you have to click on this rollback driver. So in case rollback driver is highlighted over here, click on rollback driver and roll back the driver. In case it's grayed out like this, go ahead and skip this step. Now the next step is to uninstall your fingerprint driver. So again open device manager, make a right click, then click on device manager and again expand biometric devices and then make a right click on your fingerprint device. So this is just an example. So just make a right click on your fingerprint device, then click on uninstall device and then click on uninstall. So you have to go ahead and expand fingerprint biometric, then make a right click on Goodix or whatever is your fingerprint device and then click on uninstall a device. And after you uninstall it, you have to go ahead and open apps and features. So go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to apps and feature. Now over here, if you find your fingerprint device over here in the list, so you have to go ahead and find the fingerprint device in the list and then you have to go ahead and click on it and then click on uninstall. So you have to go ahead and uninstall the fingerprint driver from device manager as well as from apps and features. Then restart your computer and then go to your system manufacturer website. So if you have Lenovo, go to Lenovo website. If you have HP computer, go to HP website. If you have a Dell computer, go to Dell website. So whatever is your brand, go to your system manufacturer website. Then you have to go ahead and select your model number on your system manufacturer website and then go to drivers and download, and then you can go ahead and find your fingerprint driver and then you have to go ahead and download it, install it, restart your computer, and that should go ahead and fix the problem. Now the next step is to remove and recreate your Windows Hello fingerprint. Now for this, go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to accounts, and then click on sign in options, and then you have to go ahead and expand this. Click on fingerprint recognition Windows Hello. So expand this option. Once you expand it, you will see the option to remove it. Once you remove it, you can go ahead and set up once again. So remove it and set up your fingerprint once again. If that does not work, remove and recreate your Windows Hello pin. So for this, on the same screen, click on pin Windows Hello, and then you can go ahead and click on remove over here. So if you see the remove option, go ahead and remove and then add it once again, and that should go ahead and fix the problem. Now the next step option is to update system BIOS. Now go to your system manufacturer website. So whatever is your brand, go to your respective system manufacturer website and then select BIOS, select your model number, and then you can go ahead and select the BIOS, and then click on download and then install your BIOS on the computer, update your BIOS. Now before you update the BIOS, now in case of laptop, make sure the battery on your computer is more than 10% and the AC adapter, the charger, is connected to your computer. And during the BIOS update, your system will restart, so do not unplug the power cable or else it will damage your computer. Now once the BIOS is up to date, you can go ahead and try to set up your fingerprint once again and then check. Now the next step is to perform Windows clean boot. For this, go ahead and type in system configuration in Windows search box and then click on system configuration and go to the services tab and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services. Then click on disable all, then click on apply, OK, and then restart your computer and then check. Now the next step is to run SFC and DISM command. For this, go ahead and copy this command and then type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow, paste the command over here, hit the enter key, and once the scan is 100% complete, run the second scan. So once this is 100% complete, copy this command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key, and once the second scan is 100% complete, restart your computer and then check. Now the next step is to create a local account. So if nothing is working, you can go ahead and create a new local account. For this, go to start menu and then click on settings and then go to accounts, click on family and other users. Now click on add account under other user. Now click on I don't have this person sign in information. Now click on add a user without a Microsoft account. Now you can go ahead and name this account whatever you want and then create a password. Now answer the security questions. So this is just an example. You can answer your security questions and then click on next. And once the account is created, click on it and then click on change account type, select administrator, click on OK. So once the account is created, click over here on the start menu, click on your account, and then you can go ahead and select your new account, log into this account, and once you're logged in, you can go to sign in options. Again, you can open Windows settings and go to sign in option, and then you can go ahead and configure your Windows Hello fingerprint and Windows Hello pin. So configure pin and then you can go ahead and configure your Windows Hello fingerprint, and that should go ahead and help you to fix the problem. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get the fingerprint working. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.